Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create an octagonal grid pattern plot using Python. So firstly we'll start this by importing the required libraries. So matplotlib.pyplot is imported, which is used for plotting the octagons here, and numpy is used for numerical calculation, especially trigonometric functions for octagonal vertices. And now we'll create the function to draw a single octagon. So this function draws a single octagon at the specified center with a given size. So here np.linspace generates 9 angles from 0 to 2 pi with a full circle, and here this removes the last element keeping 8 points for an octagon, and this rotates the octagon slightly for the proper orientation. So this computes the x and y coordinates for the octagon vertices using trigonometric functions, where np.cosAngles calculates the x coordinates and np.sinAngle calculates the y coordinates. And here np.append connects the first and the last point to the closed octagon, and ax.plot this plots the octagon outline using a blue color. And now we'll create the function to draw an octagonal grid. So this defines a function to generate a grid of octagons with given rows, columns and octagon size. So this creates a fig and axis AX with a size of 8 into 8 inches. So here dx, which is used for horizontal spacing, uses cosine to calculate the horizontal distance between octagons, and dy, which is used for vertical spacing, uses sine and size to set the vertical gap between the rows. So this loops through the grid with row into column iteration to draw multiple octagons. And here x offset determines the x coordinate for each octagon, and y offset adjusts vertical alignment so alternate columns are slightly shifted downwards, creating a staggered pattern. And this calls draw octagon function to draw an octagon at each calculated position. This ensures equal scaling to the octagons which do not appear distorted. This hides the x and y axis for a clean and visual representation. And now we'll add the plot title. So this adds a suitable title to the plot, and now we'll display the plot. So this displays the plot, and at last we'll call the function. And now we can check this. So we can see an octagonal grid pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.